Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and exciting assortments of sensory toys on the market. This is the Sunny Days Entertainment 24-piece Fidget Box, designed to cater to a wide range of needs from stress relief to sensory exploration. Let's start with what makes this Fidget Box special. It's not just a collection of toys. It's a carefully curated set that includes everything from squishy mochi toys to stress balls, stretchy crawlers, and even a satisfying poppet ball. The variety is impressive, with 24 different pieces, each serving a unique purpose. Whether you're looking to squeeze, stretch, flip, or click, these toys are designed to help both kids and adults relax, focus, or simply pass the time. These toys aren't just for fun. They're also tools for managing stress and supporting those with ADHD, anxiety, or sensory disorders. They're compact and portable, perfect for carrying in your bag or pocket for on-the-go relief. Quality is paramount with Sunny Days Entertainment. All toys are made from non-toxic materials, ensuring durability and safety. Plus, they come neatly packed in a sturdy storage container with a convenient handle for easy organization. To sum it up, if you're looking for the ultimate assortment of sensory toys that cater to various needs and age groups, the Sunny Days Entertainment 24-piece Fidget Box is a top contender. Whether you're buying for yourself, your kids, or as a gift, this treasure chest of fidget toys is sure to impress. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. And as always, drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you've tried these fidget toys yourself. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more insights into the latest and greatest products.